Hey everyone, Sam from Liberty Bullion. Now, a quick video for you today. Just wanted to talk quickly about the gold to silver ratio. So this is an incredibly important ratio for precious metals investors. For those of you who aren't aware of it or who don't know about it, I'm here to explain it for you today. So, with the gold to silver ratio, what is it? It's how many ounces of silver it takes to buy 1 ounce of gold. So this ratio has been very volatile throughout history. At the moment, we're at about 100 ounces of silver to buy you 1 ounce of gold. It's been as high as 125 ounces of silver to buy you 1 ounce of gold. Back in 2020, that was at the peak of the COVID crash when the markets were freaking out. And it's been as low as 16 ounces of silver to buy 1 ounce of gold at the peak of the 1970s bull market in 1980. That ratio hit 16 ounces of silver per ounce of gold. So, where we are today, 100 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. Historically speaking, that's very, very high. So obviously we got 16 in 1980, but in more recent history, back in 2011, that ratio hit 30. So 30 ounces of silver to 1 ounce of gold. So you're a precious metals investor today. You're looking to make an investment. You look at the gold price, the silver price, and more importantly, the gold to silver ratio. And what should it be telling you? Well, in my mind, a gold to silver ratio at 100 to 1 is historically very, very high, which means for you as an investor that you should be looking at going heavier into silver here. Given that silver has such a high ratio and therefore much more upside compared to gold, in my mind, people should be allocating heavier into silver. That's what I'm doing myself. Reason being, if we're at 100 to 1 ratio today, and the ratio drops to, say, 30 to 1, well, you're going to make 3 times as much money holding silver as you will holding gold. And that's not me bashing gold or saying gold's not a good investment. Gold's a great investment and it will keep moving upwards over time. But silver has that huge, huge opportunity, and silver historically always outperforms gold every time the precious metals have a bull market. A bull market being a market in which the metals prices move upwards. Now, typically, silver outperforms gold towards the end of the bull market in the later half. So, when you've seen gold have an epic move to the upside, beautiful move, $3,300 US per ounce at the moment, over $5,200 Australian, that is an amazing move and should get you very excited about the precious metals. But keep an eye on that gold to silver ratio, because it's not necessarily gold that you should be really leaning into here. In my mind, it's silver. So the saying is, gold moves first, and then, with a slight delay, silver moves further. So we've seen gold make the big move first, epic move. It's going to keep going, but epic move so far, which should have you extremely excited about silver. So that's it for me today, guys. Just wanted to make a quick video talking about the gold to silver ratio and how investors should view it and use it in their investment strategies. If you've got any questions, reach out to us. The Liberty Bullion team would be more than happy to help you out. So thanks, everyone.